Where is the petrous part of temporal bone? Where you will find? Come near me. I can't show you from here. Come surround me. Where is the petrous part of temporal bone? Come.
The posterior surface.
Yes, here is the petrous part of temporal bone. This is all petrous part of temporal bone. This flat part of temporal bone, the khali wali is flat. This is petrous part of temporal bone, petrous yani rough. Okay? If I chisel here, remove bone, remove bone, remove bone, remove bone, remove bone, I will remove the bone, I will find this stuff. Okay? So this is like same petrous part of temporal bone. So this is like same petrous part of temporal bone. If I try to remove the bone, I should reach the inner ear.
So this one
Is the petrous part of temporal bone. Not only this one, the whole. The petrous part of temporal bone is like a big elevation. Okay. Another thing with petrous part of temporal bone is the internal acoustic meatus. Internal acoustic meatus. If you are not interested, or come here or what? Come here. Here is like external acoustic meatus. Bismillah. Here is like internal acoustic meatus. Good? External is connected with ear, of course, you know. Then if there is a normal person, I will find the auditory meatus, which is a tube. Then I will find a tympanic membrane. Then I will find the middle ear cavity. This is external acoustic meatus, this is internal acoustic meatus. This all is petrous part of temporal bone. Clear? So here this all is petrous part of temporal bone. Now I start chiseling here, removing some bone. If I remove the bone, I will reach this part of the ear. Let's start from the proper area now. Now, this is the external ear. External ear has certain features. What are the features? Features are tragus. This is tragus, this one. Here we don't have tragus. Tragus and antitragus on the back. Then we have helix, antihelix. Helix, antihelix. Then we have scaphoid fossa, then we have a triangular fossa. All these modifications, this is made up of one cartilage. Okay? The whole of the ear is one cartilage with skin covered here and skin covered on the back. So this is ear, skin here, skin here. Okay? Then it has a lobule. This one is the lobule. This one is the lobule. Okay? All these modifications, differences are because of, we can have certain variation. If you see each other ear, you will have some helix is some long, some scaphoid fossa is deep, some blah, 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 blah. But no problem. The main purpose is for entry of the sound waves. It should enter the sound. Then after the ear we have external auditory meatus. This is meatus, this is the auditory tube. What it has cartilaginous part initially and then a bony part. Good? Then we have a tympanic membrane. Go inside, I have a tympanic membrane. He was saying it is S-shaped. Yes, it is S-shaped like this. A horizontal S, not a vertical S, a horizontal S. So I should pull my ear back and up to clear this S-shaped, and I should enter into the oroscope so that I can see inside. This is how I can reach here. What I will see the tympanic membrane. This is how it looks like. This is tympanic membrane. This is the annulus fibrosus, which is the part through which it will attach to the surrounding structure. Number one. Then I told you it is concave.
Yes.
The pointed part is known as umbo. On the inner side, this is the site which I will see with oroscope. It is transparent. So I can see if the membrane is transparent and clear one and there is no wax, I can see this bone even from here. So this is malleus. Then we have incus. Here we have malleus. This is malleus. This is incus and this is stapes. Okay? Here stapes is missing. It may be there. Here stapes is missing. Okay. This is, yes, I will show them. This is malleus. This is incus. And here we have stapes. Stapes. So they are connected like this. So when there is vibration here of the sound wave, it will stimulate malleus, incus and stapes. Stapes will move to and fro, and where it is attached, oval window. Okay, it is attached to the oval window. Let's finish these structures. Okay, tympanic membrane has anterior fold, posterior fold, pars flaccida here. If I remove the bones, I will first find pars flaccida, and all this is pars tensa. The perforations are common in the pars flaccida. Good? Now I will jump into the inner ear parts. So this is petrous part of temporal bone. I removed some part of the petrous temporal. I will put this back to make it in a good shape, to make you understand how it looks like. Now it is the real version of the ear. See, tympanic membrane, malleus, incus and stapes here. This is stapes. Good? Okay. Now, what I see here, I see this auditory tube or Eustachian tube. It is opening in the middle ear cavity. Here is the middle ear cavity. This all is middle ear cavity. This red structure is all middle ear cavity. Okay? Okay. It is connected here with auditory tube, Eustachian tube. Here is the cartilaginous part. Here is the bony part. Then we have this tensor tympani muscle. It has a tendon. It will go and attach here. This is tensor tympani. It will attach here. See now. Good? Good. So tensor tympani will come and attach to make the malleus tense. Okay. Then this is levator palati. This is not with us. No problem. This is styloid process. This all is middle ear cavity. This is epitympanic recess. If I put it here, see the cavity is not finishing here. It is going beyond the limit. So this part is known as epitympanic recess. Good? Now the parts of inner ear. This is how I put it, inner ear. It has a cochlea. This is cochlea. Cochlea has a bony part here. It is known as modulus. Yes. This is modulus and here is the cochlea wrapped on it. So cochlea. Then this part is vestibule. This all. Except these tubes. This and this. If I remove, this is vestibule. So this is vestibule. Inside the vestibule, okay, leave the inside. Before that, tubes. Semicircular canals. Why semicircular? They are not full circles. They are semi, half circles. We have a superior one, we have a posterior one, and we have a lateral one. How I know which is lateral? The lateral is the horizontal one. So it is lateral. Both of them, the other two are vertical. Vertical, okay? So this is vertical, this is horizontal, this is lateral. Another thing. From the cochlea, we have this emerging of this. Now I will divide the nerve. From the cochlea, I have a cochlear part. From the vestibule, I have vestibular part. Now it will make vestibulocochlear nerve, where it will go out through this internal acoustic meatus. Here, meatus. So inner ear is here inside. Remove the bone, and here is the entry of the nerve. Here is the pons, so it will go and attach to the pons. Khalas? This is clear. This is stapes. This is foot plate of stapes. Fixed on this blue line is the oval window. Now I make a blue line oval window. We have a round window. Here is the round window. Round window. And if we have anything else, what are the structures in the anterior wall? You have this carotid, internal carotid artery. Carotid canal is crossing like this. See, here we have carotid artery, internal carotid artery in a canal. This is carotid canal, like this. It is coming and entering the brain like this. This is internal carotid artery. This is same internal carotid artery. It makes a relation in the anterior aspect. It is not in the wall. It is making anterior relations.
Yes.
Good. Again, the external ear with lobule. The external auditory meatus. Then we have auditory tube. This all is middle ear cavity. This is suprameatal part. Here is tensor tympani. Here is levator palati. And here we have internal carotid artery. These are the structures visible on any model. I will repeat on, if I miss something, I will repeat here. Okay. Before that, we need to see three bones. This is malleus. This is malleus. Oh. Features are not with you. Only remember handle of malleus. Then we have incus, and this is stapes. This will fit on oval window. This is the foot plate of stapes. It will fit on oval window. Good? See this structure. Again, simple. Cochlea. This is modulus. Modulus, cochlea. After cochlea, we will have cochlear nerve. This is cochlear nerve. This is vestibular nerve. They will make vestibular cochlear nerve 8. Here it is the vestibular ganglion. After cochlea, we have vestibule. See here cochlea. This is vestibule. In the vestibule, we have saccule and utricle. And then we have semicircular canals. 1, 2, 3. Superior, posterior, lateral. And we have, if I remove the stuff, I will find this dilated part is ampulla. Each of them has an ampulla. Like here, I mean, see the ampulla, see the ampulla, see the ampulla, a dilated part. And this is the part of the canal itself. Here we have this structure, ductus endolymphaticus. Ductus endolymphaticus. If I miss something in this model, please show me. Just keep it here. Okay, we will adjust it. This is external ear with auditory tube, external auditory meatus. It will reach tympanic membrane. Again, you will find the tympanic membrane. See, it is how transparent, beautifully. Some blood vessels are also visible, no problem. We have anterior and posterior lamellar folds, which are enclosing pars tensa. They include pars flaccida, and they will separate it from pars tensa. Here is malleus, incus, stapes should be here. I may find it inside. Then this is the annulus. Then here is the auditory tube. This one, auditory tube, Eustachian tube. This is nasopharynx. It is opening inside. This is the opening of auditory tube in the nasopharynx, like this here. Good. Anterior wall has relation 1 tube, 1 tensor tympani muscle. Let's see if we can go inside and find it. See here, a very good. This is posterior wall. If I go back, I will land up into mastoid process. Good. This is back of the ear, mastoid process. This is styloid process. Here is the styloid process. Here is the mastoid process. So here, this is styloid process. This is mastoid process. In between, we should have a stylomastoid foramen with facial nerve here. Here is stylomastoid foramen. Stylomastoid foramen. Good?
Yes.
Now, this is the posterior wall. Go down, you will land up into the mastoid ear cells. This is mastoid antrum, and of course, some part is meatal, suprameatal part. This is mastoid ear cells. Here, the same structures you will see. 1, 2, 3 tubes. Superior,
Lateral.
lateral and posterior. Yes, thank you. Cochlea, modulus, vestibule, oval window, round window. See here, oval window, round window. Cochlea, modulus, vestibule, oval window, round window. 3 tubes with this ductus endolymphaticus here. Good?
Good.
Finished?
Finished.
Alhamdulillah. Thank you.